The really exciting thing about this commission is that it's our first grandfather clock. And I say we because I think it's really very much part of a team effort, because Richard Harrison, the client who geniusly designed the inside of this clock, came to us and talked about how we wanted to do something that was really outside of our comfort zone. When I came over, we sat down and sketched. I was trying to create lines that gave it a kind of length and elegance. The interesting thing about designing a grandfather clock is that obviously I know the shapes, but technically I was very much led by Richard, who has the genius expert eye about exactly what needs to go in this.
I'm Richard Harrison, and I designed this clock, which I call RH2, and the case was made for me and designed as well by Tim Gosling and his team. Having designed the clock, all the parts are made from scratch using raw materials in the home workshop. The original idea of it was to try and think of a way of having an alternative method of winding up the clock, so that instead of the driveline being wound round a barrel and then gradually unwinding over the course of an 8-day period, we should actually bypass the system and simply have the driveline going once round the barrel and then out of the clock, so that you're no longer restricted to the 8 days that a long case clock goes for.
In terms of design, grandfather clocks obviously come in a certain shape. What's really interesting for us is how we could just tweak that shape so that you could see into its workings, which are basically the marvel of it, the head of it, and how visually you could make something look contemporary but also within the same framework.